Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
Mine is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition and we're going to do the tutorial billboard.
So it's in Microsoft Makecode.
Want to use big words? Make a billboard. So
the picture is a happy
face,
which is a colon and the okay.
So it's made out of TNT. Put in an on chat command and rename it to print. So we're gonna do print. Then place a print inside on chat command and use your name as the text. Change the block from grass to TNT. So blocks.print coding with kids, and change it to let's
do water.
Okay. Go to Minecraft, press T to open the chat and enter print to see your name appear.
Okay. Now we're going to see it in Python. So def on chat shows a function blocks.print, it will print coding with kids using the block water at position 000 west. Then that's the function, and then player.onChat, so when you type in the chat print, it will run the function. Now let's see it.
So let's go higher. Just see the water flow and then go print.
We're in
water.
It just all immediately starts flowing down.
And doesn't make any images.
Yeah, so
I think that's because it's coding with kids.
Change the water to a regular block to see it's original.
Sand.
No, sand will fall.
Yeah, let's sand.
No.
Fine.
Grass. Okay. Now we're into print.
Code.
It's this way.
Coding with kids.
It's very long.
Let's make it in sand. Well,
okay.
Like not here. Wait, there somewhere? Horsey.
We're going to change it to sand.
Sand. Let's see.
Run it. Okay. So the sand is going to fall. Print.
Whoa.
Whee! It's like a show. It's like it's really silly. They all fall.
You can't really see the thing. The message. Coding with I can see the W.
Yeah.
With
you can still kind of see it.
Just some sand blocks.
Some of them break.
Yeah. Let's make it in TNT and get a flint and steel and then like explode them all. Not near the river. Like over here. So we're Horsey.
Last time.
Over here.
Here, so we're gonna go back here and change it into
TNT.
Okay, now
we print, then get a flint and steel. Okay. First we need to get a flint and steel right here.
Okay. Now we're gonna what? Okay. So we're gonna do print. Okay. First, okay. I'm gonna wait for all of it to come first.
Coding with kids.
Okay.
We'll do the S first. Oops. Right click. Let's watch the show.
Yay. Okay, now the
D.
The D.
Right? Coding with kids. Yeah.
Is water. Okay.
Oh, no. They're exploding in the water. They should do no effect. The I.
One went way so far. Then the K.
Go higher. I could watch this every day. Wait, after this, let's do lava to see if it stingrays out as water. So it's just making the water keep flowing. Spamming. Oh, I see XP. Which one? What letter is this? Oh, I don't know. T. Tire. Why did you do that? No. No, please don't do it again. Please. Oh, why? Now you're making every single one of them as well.
Wow.
Let's make lava. Let's make lava.
Because it's dark. We're gonna change it to lava.
Okay, so it will at least light it. Coding with kid. Oh.
It got mixed up with the grass blocks. So we can't see.
I can still see the coding. The grass block.
Yeah, the grass blocks aren't burning up. Because the lava is behind the grass blocks.
Oh no. You made the O into something. The fire won't stay there forever.
It looks cool. Oh, the O and the C are getting overwhelmed.
Oh.
This is good. I'm right between it. I can see.
No, I sometimes experience that. It's so yeah, like be in between.
I'm trying to do it.
I can see through the lava. Ah.
Okay, well,
that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.